Hey everybody, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR and I'm here at the junkyard, as you can see. Looking for a harness for my I want to go drive-by-wire on the C10, and the easiest thing to do, in my opinion, is just take a complete one. So that's what I'm going to do. Because mine came from a swap vehicle, I don't think it was missing the NOx sensor plugs, it was missing the O2 sensor plugs. I mean, it was just missing almost everything. Like, they put my 6-liter in that 1500, and I'm pretty sure it never ran. So, but actually what I think I'm gonna do, because this one's pretty unmolested, is I think I'm gonna take literally everything, including the fuse box here, and I'll show you guys how you can fire up your engine like that. And that'll just make it a little easier. But for right now, all I'm concerned about is getting the harness, and the important thing is the pedal, which this is a drive-by-wire pedal, and you want the tack module also that goes with the pedal. So the tack module's right there. That's it. Those two things together will allow you to go drive-by-wire, and I could convert my harness over to a drive-by-wire, but it's missing so many things. It's just going to be a lot easier to get everything at once. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to pull that cover. I'm going to pull that cover and start unsnapping stuff. Is really all there is to it at that point. So I'll be back. It's been about an hour. I have everything out, and I really didn't have to hack anything too bad or anything like that. Here's the tack module that I need for my electronic pedal, which is laying there on the ground. There's a little brace that goes right here, 13mm bolts, and then there's three 10mm studs. This comes off, you unhook the connections. This one stays in the main bundle, and then there's one that comes through the firewall to the pedal. I was able to pull the entire thing off. Apparently this is the lights for the courtesy light for the hood or something. I had to cut that, but I was able to pull the whole thing out like that. On the inside for the pedal, it's just two 10mm nuts on studs up there. Zipped them out. Pedal fell out. There they are. As far as the harness itself goes, if you wanted to use the Silverado fuse box, all you really need is this middle plug. All your sensors, power wires run here. Yeah, you only need to add power, apply power to a couple of these other pins, but the rest of this stuff is all body and chassis stuff. So you only need this. But I mean, I'm gonna do, you know, the smaller fuse block like everybody else. It's much cleaner. The O2 sensors, the crank sensor, those were a little bit of a chore, but no big deal. I mean, really, it just came right out. It took me about an hour. So I'm gonna pull this the rest of the way out, and I'll be right. There it is. Wiring harness, 20 bucks. There's no need. In my opinion, you know, this thing ran all the way to the scene of the accident. So, like, why would I want to go pay $600 for a wiring harness? You know, yeah, time is money, blah, 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 whatever. But come on, man. I don't have that kind of money to just throw away just because. So, until next time, this is JR. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check us out on Facebook at The Driveway Engineer, or on Twitter at The Driveway Engineer. And like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.